Okay, so number one, I'm so happy that you clicked on that thumbnail. Number two, I'm super excited to bring you this awesome DIY. It's gonna be like a 2-for-1 special, and I think you're really gonna enjoy it. So if you wanna know how to make this, keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. So in today's video, I'm super excited to show you guys this because you are literally getting a 2-for-1 special, and who does not love a 2-for-1? Yeah, everyone loves a 2-for-1. So in this DIY, that is exactly what you're gonna be getting. So on one side of the reindeer, you can use it as a chalkboard, memo board, whatever you wanna do. And on the other side, you can flip it over and it can be decor. So I think this would be an awesome Christmas gift for someone, or if you are still decorating, need some more ideas, this is the one for you because it is so versatile. And I think you're really gonna love this one. So let's get started. The main materials you're gonna need for this project are one Dollar Tree reindeer, ribbon, twine, and chalkboard spray paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this mini scraper that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this to remove the glitter. Honestly, this is the easiest way that I have found to remove glitter. I've done it several different ways, and this way is just the fastest and easiest to get it done. Also, when you're doing this, I would recommend to wear some gloves so you will not have glitter hands. And this is why you wear gloves. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring my reindeer over to my sink, and I'm just gonna start to scrub off the remainder of the glitter and also just use my spray hose to spray it down. Alright, so now I'm going to take this chalkboard spray paint and I am going to spray paint one side of this reindeer. And I did 2 coats. So after you've spray painted your reindeer, this is what it looks like. They're going to have like these little holes, but honestly, that didn't really bother me. It looked kind of like a design. And you're also going to have like these little ridges. And it also depends on which reindeer you get, but that doesn't even matter because you're gonna be writing over this anyway. So now on the other side, I'm just gonna take my chalk paint and I'm gonna start to paint this side, and I did 2 coats. So after your reindeer is all nice and dry, I'm just going to take this scrub pad that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to start to distress my reindeer. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the other side looks like after I painted the opposite side. So I probably should have painted first, but no worries. All I did was I sanded it down and then I reapplied the chalkboard paint. So now I'm gonna take my ribbon and I'm just gonna start to make like a little decorative bow to put on the neck of the reindeer. Okay, so after I added my lace, I just took a leftover bell and I added it to the center, and it was just a perfect touch. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my liquid chalk pen, and you can literally write all over this reindeer. You can write like just a simple saying if you want to, or you can use this as a memo board. Whatever you wanna do, you can do it. The possibilities are endless. I'm just gonna be using this as a memo chalkboard, so I'm just writing down a to-do list. So this part is optional, but I'm just going to take a piece of twine and I'm going to attach it to the top with my glue gun so you'll be able to hang this. Okay, so now comes the fun part. So I've already cut 2 strips. So one strip I've added to the bow, and this other strip I'm going to add it to the neck of my reindeer. And then I'm going to take another strip and cut it. And then this strip I'm going to add it to the neck of the reindeer on the opposite side. Okay, so now everything is set, and all you have to do is pop that bow right onto the memo board if you want to use it this way, or if you don't want to use it this way, all you have to do is take the bow off, flip it over, and pop it onto the other side, and you can use it as just some hanging decor. Okay, so another cool thing that I absolutely love about this piece is, let's say one day you don't want to have this bow on here anymore and you want to use like a buffalo check bow or a red bow. All you have to do is pop on a command strip on the back of whatever bow you've made, pop this bow off, put the other bow on. If you don't want to use a bow, you can use a flower, whatever you want to do. All you have to do, put that command strip on, and you are good to go. All right, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.